Here are the installation steps for mechanically fastened 2-in-1 panels with a weldable surface. Start by installing the first row of 2-in-1 panels on the field surface so that the side lap is aligned with the center of the drain, perpendicular to the steel deck ribs. Cut the selvage of the 2-in-1 panels in the first row. Remove the silicone film from the duo selvage. Install the screws and plates on the white line along the duo selvage, making sure the fasteners are secured on the steel deck on the top of the ribs. Note that only Suprema screws and plates are accepted. Install the second row of panels, making sure that the ends of the panels are aligned with the ends of the first row, so that all the end laps are aligned. Note that a minimum distance of 915 mm or 36 inches must be left between the first end lap and the drain. Remove the silicone films from the side lap. Bond the self-adhesive part of the duo selvage and weld the other part using a torch. If needed, place screws in the center of the 2-in-1 panels. Refer to the wind uplift resistance testing reports for the quantities required according to the areas of the roof. Cut out pieces of membrane to cover the screws and plates, placed at the center of the 2-in-1 panels that are left exposed. These pieces should be large enough to cover the screws and plates. Heat weld these membrane pieces in place. Then weld the cover strip centered on the end lap. Note that for safety reasons, when installing base sheet panels, you must never use the torch less than 1 meter or 3 feet away from the parapets. That's why the surface of the panels to be installed at the perimeter must be heated prior to their installation at a minimum distance of 1 meter or 3 feet from the perimeter of the roof. This installation is now complete.